Hi, it's John again. Let me show you how to use JSON dataset. First, we need to prepare the JSON data string. Let's preview this form. Okay, and give data John. Check this one. Country, others, Korea. Yes. Okay, that's enough. And here, over here, copy input data. And then we just extracted the all input data in JSON string. So let me save this as a file, text file. Save as here my local repository, JSON dataset. Okay. And over here, data service, right click on this and insert JSON data. And design time dataset, we'll use this file and the same. And dataset name, customer, and again right click on this, configure set. On the top here, right click on the root, set base JSON path, and we need to select the fields that we want to use and push shift key and okay. I will use this field. Okay, character set. Okay, so we have created the JSON dataset here, and next we need to assign this value into component. Okay, let me skip this. Gender, the value of gender will be male or female, so we will set this using script. So skip and assign birth, date, month, year, phone, email, country, other. Okay, let's preview what happens. Okay, this data came from this file, and here okay, this field already have a data string Korea. However, it is hidden initially, so we need to show this field if the data, if it has already data. Okay, so one, on and bind country. If it has data, then set visible true, and and this for this here, on bind event. This get the value of gender. If value of gender is male, then click this radio button. In the same way, email. Okay, let's preview. Okay, it works fine. Let's check, and here we have the country name. Okay, this is development time. So when the runtime, to get the real data from the application in HTML application, instead get the data from this file, we need to get data from the application. Here, we need to use the parameter JSON data set, JSON data. Okay, and here modify. Here, runtime dataset. We will change runtime dataset to parameter. We will use a parameter. We will get runtime dataset from parameter. Here, JSON dataset. Okay, that's it. And then when application HTML application can send JSON string to this parameter, and then this parameter will automatically pass to this data set, and then it will bind each data into this component. Okay, that's it. Thank you.